Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel on your laptop. First, determine if your device already has Microsoft Office installed. Many new laptops come with a trial or full version. If not, you'll need to decide between a Microsoft 365 subscription, a one-time purchase, or a free alternative. We will cover each of these options to help you make the best choice for your needs. For the most comprehensive experience, a Microsoft 365 subscription provides Excel along with other Office applications. This typically involves a monthly or annual fee. Alternatively, you can buy a standalone Excel license with a one-time payment. After purchase, you will download the software from the official Microsoft website and then activate it using your unique product key to unlock full functionality. If you prefer not to purchase, several free options are available. Excel for the web offers basic spreadsheet functionality directly in your browser with a free Microsoft account. Google Sheets is another excellent web-based alternative, fully integrated with Google Drive. For a desktop application without cost, LibreOffice Calc provides robust spreadsheet features, compatible with many Excel file formats, offering a great solution. Once Excel is installed, find its icon in your application's menu or desktop. Click to open the program. You can then choose to open an existing spreadsheet file from your documents or create a brand new blank workbook to start fresh. Remember to save your work frequently to avoid losing any progress. Use the Save As option to name your file and choose its storage location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.